Creating and selling online courses for passive income, your ultimate guide. Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to earn money while you sleep? Then you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of creating and selling online courses for passive income. Let's unlock your earning potential. How would you like to make an additional $1,000, $3,000 per day in passive income on complete autopilot in 2025? First, identify your expertise. What are you passionate about and good at? Think about skills you possess that others would pay to learn. Next, validate your idea. Research your target audience and see if there's demand for your course. Use tools like Google Trends and keyword research to gauge interest. Plan your course structure. Break down your topic into manageable modules and lessons. A well-structured course keeps students engaged. Use a mix of video lectures, downloadable resources, and interactive quizzes. Variety keeps learners interested and improves retention. Don't forget to add real-world examples. Select a platform to host and sell your course. Options include Teachable, Thinkific, Udemy, and Skillshare. Each has its pros and cons, so research carefully. Consider factors like pricing, features, and marketing tools. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and budget. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Build an email list to nurture potential students. Offer free content like webinars or sample lessons to attract leads. Engage with your audience and build a community around your course. Automate your sales process. Use email sequences and sales funnels to convert leads into paying students. This is where the passive part comes in. Continuously update your course content. Keep it fresh and relevant to maintain its value and attract new students. Ready to start earning passive income? Click the link in the description to download our free guide on course creation. Subscribe to our channel for more side hustle tips and tricks. Don't wait. Start building your online course empire today. Free web class.